So tayo ngayon ay mag-uusap tungkol sa SMR. Ito naman, ang ibig sabihin nito ay Self-Monitoring Report. Mayroong mga bagay dito na magandang pag-aralan ng isang pollution control officer. Unang-una sa Section 13 ng DAW 2014-02. Sinasabi dyan sa Department Order na yan na kapag ikaw ay isang accredited PCO, accredited ng EMB Regional Office, kailangan mong mag-submit ng self-monitoring report quarterly. So, isang bagay na mahalaga sa isang accredited PCO na kailangan mag-submit ng mga information regarding sa compliance ng establishment sa requirements ng major environmental laws sa compliance sa condition ng environmental compliance certificate. At bilang isang accredited PCO, pangalawa, sabi sa Section 10 ng DAW 2014-02 na kailangan kapag ikaw ay isang accredited pollution control officer ng EMB Regional Office, kailangan mag-submit ng CMR, SMR timely. Ang SMR ay i-accomplish, ipiprepare, pipirmahan ng isang PCO, certified true and correct by the managing head and notarized. So, pangalawang bagay yan na kailangan prepared and signed by the PCO, certified true and correct by the managing head, and notarized. Ang self-monitoring report. And sa mga conditions ng mga relevant permits acquired ng isang establishment, halimbawa ang discharge permit, halimbawa ang permit to operate, ang hazardous waste generator registration certificate. Pangatlo, ang mga bagay na yan, ang mga permits na yan ay may kondisyon na kailangan mag-submit ng report quarterly. And failure to submit these reports can be a ground for the issuance of notice of violation and imposition of fine and or penalty sa proponent or sa company kung saan nire-represent ng isang PCO. So, tatlong bagay yan na mahalaga. Itong ating SMR, Self-Monitoring Report. At I hope maisubmit natin ang report na ito on time. Ang report ay sinasubmit natin quarterly for the period January, February, March. Isasubmit ang report April. For the period April, May, June, isasubmit ang SMR July. At sa period na July, August, September, October ang submission ng SMR at sa October, November, December na monitoring period, January ang submission naman ng SMR. So the PCO shall submit SMR quarterly, submit the SMR signed by the PCO, certified true and correct by the managing head and notarized, and 3, submit this report quarterly in compliance with the permit conditions, in compliance with the ECC condition. Then the data reflected in the SMR can be used by DNR EMB for decision making and policy making. So that's all about SMR or the self-monitoring report.